The Old Harbour Police have launched an investigation into the brutal murder of 69-year-old Linford Robinson, who was found dead with his head bashed in on Monday. It is reported that residents of the Planters Hall district in St. Catherine became suspicious when Robinson, who is a shoekeeper, failed to report to work. A search was launched and Robinson's bloodied body was found lying at his doorstep. He was rushed to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigators theorize that Robinson met his demise between 8 p.m. on December 10, 2023 to 8 a.m. on December 11, 2023. A 19-year-old suspect has been hospitalized on the police guard following Monday night's attempted robbery of a beryllium team in Greyground, Manchester. The suspect was injured during a shootout that left one of his accomplices dead. A police source said that the suspect is from St. Catherine. He was found during a search of Greyground on Monday night after the police observed a trail of blood near the scene. Reports suggest that a group of gunmen attacked the security team at a distribution center shortly before 7 p.m. During a reported shootout, one of the gunmen was killed. Police are searching for accomplices who managed to escape. The woman, one of two who perished in an accident along the Lilliput Main Road in St. James, has been identified as an American. She is Portia Anglin, a 30-year-old from a Minnesota address. Reports are that Anglin was a passenger in a Toyota Vauxhall motor car, which was traveling in the direction of Falmouth in Trelawney when it collided with a truck laden with cement. The driver, who had to be extricated from the vehicle, also perished during the incident.